Hi everyone, welcome back to Build and Push YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into installing and running a React project from scratch. Whether you're brand new to React or just need a refresher, this tutorial will walk you through each step, so you'll be up and running with React in on time. Let's jump in. So, what is React and why do we use it? React is a popular JavaScript library for building user interfaces, especially for single-page applications. It's fast, scalable, and easy to learn, making it a great choice for building interactive web apps. In fact, some of the biggest companies use React, like Facebook, Netflix, and Airbnb. Before we can start with React, we need to make sure we have Node.js installed on our computer. Node.js includes NPM, which stands for Node Package Manager, and it's what we'll use to install React and other libraries. Head over to nodejs.org and download the latest version. Once it's downloaded, install it like you would with any other program. Let's quick check that it's installed correctly. Open up your command prompt or terminal and type node-v to check your Node.js version and npm-v to check the npm version. If both commands return version numbers, then you're all set. Now that we have Node.js and npm, we're ready to set up our React project. React has a built-in tool called Create React App that makes setting up a new project super easy. Just open your terminal, navigate to the folder where you want to create the project, and type the following command: npx create-react-app my-first-react-app. Replace my first React app with any name you want for your project. This command will download and set up everything you need to start a basic React app. This may take a couple of minutes, as it's setting up a project with all the dependencies and configuration ready for us to start coding. Once the installation is complete, let's open the project in Code Editor. I recommend using Visual Studio Code, but feel free to use whichever editor you prefer. Inside your project folder, you'll see several files and folders that Create React App has set up for you. Let's go through the main ones. The source folder is where most of our code will go. Inside source, you'll see a file called app.js. This is the main component of our app, and we'll be editing this in a moment. The public folder contains static files like index.html, which acts as the entry point for our React app. And finally, we have the Node modules folder, which holds all the libraries and dependencies our app needs to run. Alright, let's get our React app up and running. In your terminal, navigate to your project folder by typing cd my first React app or the name of your project folder. Then type this command to start the development server, npm start. This will start a local server and open the app in your default browser. By default, it should open at localhost 3000. And there you have it. You should use a React welcome screen in your browser. This is default template that comes with Create React App, and we're going to customize it in just a minute. Now, let's make a simple change to our app. Open the app.js file in the source folder. Inside, you'll see some HTML-like code. This is called JSX, and it's how we write UI components in React. Let's replace the default text with something new. For example, let's change it to say, "Hello React World." Just edit the text inside the header tags like this. Once you save the file, you should see the changes automatically update in your browser, thanks to React's hot reloading feature. This makes it really easy to see our changes in real time. There's so much more you can do with React. For instance, you can add CSS styles, create new components, and even manage the app's state as it grows. In future videos, we'll dive deeper into these topics. So stay tuned if you want to learn more. And that's it for today's tutorial on setting up and running a React project. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more beginner-friendly coding tutorials. Let me know in the comments if there's anything specific you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.